Hi guys, guess who's back? Oh yes, it's me. I'm going to show you all another new Goho as usual. Let's count the base ones. Let's have a look at the base on an overall basis. Okay, this looks like an anti 3-star base. Look at the CC in the center. That's pretty tough. How about you look at this gap in between the dark DE storage and the BK? There could be a double giant bomb there. Let's look here. In between the Wiz tower and the motor, there could be a double giant bomb there. CC radius is pretty much outside, so I can, lure the CC. That's pretty good. X-bow level 3, both of them set to ground. Base looks pretty maxed, except for the heroes a little low. So, let's have a look at the attack now. Okay, I'm sure I'm going to lure my CC. I've already seen that the AQ and the BK on this side, so I know where I'm going to attack for sure, because I need to take out one hero at the minimum. But then the good advantage in this base is both the heroes are on one side. Alright, this is what I do first. I'll lure the CC. Max Hound. That's going to be a little difficult to kill. There you go, I drop both the golems there because one defense is on the outside, so I really can't help it. Oh, one wall breaker and one wizard flies away. That's alright. There you go, broken one compartment. And I'm gonna rage immediately so that I know for sure I can kill that hound. Oh yeah, I dropped the AQ a little late because the lava pups cause a huge damage. My second wall breaker bunch. Now you watch. I've seen an AD, Archer Tower, Motor, Wizard Tower, another Archer Tower, another Archer Tower on the same line. So what's my strategy? Spread hog. Why? They're all on the same line. There you go. I spread my hogs on that line. Oh, I see a few skeletons there. Raged my BK by now. Oh, I'm gonna rage it right now. There you go, my first heal. Remember one thing, it's the first heal that you place, after which you should preferably always place the haste. You want the attack to happen a little faster, and you know that I've already avoided this part. I don't have to really bother about that if there's a DGB there because I've already killed the BK from there. So now watch. I use the poison to kill the skeletons as rule number 5 states. There you go, I hasted them. Now I'm afraid of the DGB, but then I'm gonna heal a little late. Oh, there's one GB there. Almost killed me. There you go, my heal was perfectly placed and I'm waiting for the last one. My AQ's gone a little outside, but that's okay. She's on the outside. And there, my last heal. I have like a bunch of 7-8 hogs, 2 defenses. I'm not really afraid of that. There you go, a simple cleanup after that. Swan Archer, as usual for a cleanup. I placed it here so that nothing goes wrong at all. And it's a simple 3-star from here. Nothing really, just a stupid cleanup. Gohos, you see, they're the best and the most effective attacks that I've ever come across in the TH9. Alright, thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg. You know what happened with the D. Yes guys, so you can do something. You can drop in comments below and let me know if you all need any help with any kind of attacks. I mean, y'all can mention which kind of attack that y'all want to see. I mean, I can help y'all with that. Please like and subscribe if y'all find the video helpful. And thank you so much. We're going to put up videos very soon again. So, stay tuned. Thank you so much, guys.